Here's a little intro. It's a spooky one. Like, comment, and subscribe to join in on the fun. Hi, hello, welcome. Today is an exciting day because Cammie's gonna walk all over the video. Today's an exciting day because I got a present in the mail. All right, well, hi Cammie. Oh my gosh. I should probably restart, but I'm just not going to. Today's an exciting day because I got a present in the mail. A present from Entina. We're gonna try to do this despite Cammie's nonsense. I got a present from Entina in the mail. It's a 3D printer, something I've always wanted to play around with. I received an email asking if they would like, for me, I'm all discombobulated because of Cammie. I got an email from Entina asking if I would like to try their 3D printer and if I liked it, if I wanted to do a review and all that jazz, and I said yes because that's an incredible offer. I've messed with this a little bit now and it's an incredible product. I'm not just saying that because they gave it to me, but look, where is it? Last night I received this and I already made a little pterodactyl friend. Look at him. Look, he flaps around. He's pretty amazing. Now that I'm looking, I'm missing a part of him. So maybe I can find that. This is a very chaotic thing here already. All right. This little wing part snaps back on. I am new to all of this and I'm losing parts. Look at my little pterodactyl friend. I was very proud of this. I made it last night and I was like, oh, it's a real thing. I made a real toy, and his little head moves and his little wings flap and he's really, really cute. But yeah, the stuff to make him, the plastic stuff, I've learned is called filament. It came with that. I was all set. There's some examples in the app that you can use, and it came with some examples here, and I was really excited. I was really excited about my trial run, but now we're getting down to business because now it is not so much a trial run. We are going to print boo buckets, which is one of the options in the app for the Entina. They have, here, I will show you because, of course I should show you because I'm apparently doing a tutorial, not well, but. So the Entina 3D printer is connected to Wi-Fi, to Bluetooth, and they have their own app which is called PoloPrint Cloud. And this app has all kinds of different doodads that you can print. It's actually pretty incredible, like what's here, just that you don't even have to have a different file for it. Like there's this little frog, and my boo buckets, like I said before. So yeah, there's a Cubone mask that you can print from Pokemon. There's all kinds of stuff that I'm going to be having fun with. But I figured since it's Halloween season and since I just did the boo bucket video, I should do a little miniature boo buckets. I'm sitting here trying to find other fun stuff. There's a little Easter bunny you can print. But yeah, I thought that, like I said, since it's Halloween season and boo buckets should be what we do. So I'm gonna show you guys how to set this up and some of the other little fun stuff in here, and we'll print boo buckets, yay! So here in the app is the boo buckets. I did find them. They have all the different ones that you can print, and I thought that that would be super fun to print. I've actually seen these online before on Etsy that people were selling them, and I've almost bought them in the past because they're super tiny, they're super cute, and they don't have the designs from this year. They have the original boo buckets, which is pretty exciting. Oh, you even can print the handle to go with them. So yeah, let's go through and we'll use this as the one that we're gonna try for today, our trial, and see if I can get this to work. My little pterodactyl was good, so this one's a bit more intricate. This isn't a beginner level project, so I'm just jumping right on in. So let's see. Oh look, there's little Wolverine claws that you can print. There's all kinds of crazy stuff in this app, and this is just their app. Like you can print a tiny toilet in case you want a toilet for a figure for yourself. Maybe not yourself that you can like use properly, but you can print a shark comb. Pretty cool stuff. I'm not even gonna lie, I'm pretty excited about all this. Here's SpongeBob's house in Bikini Bottom. Yeah, I'm gonna be having a lot of, oh, if you don't want a toilet, you can have a little chair. I could have it for all my little figures. That's what I would do with it. But, ooh, there's a little deer that you can print. But yeah, let's get to this. I'm gonna show you how to print things. I've shown you multiple options that you can print. So yeah, let me show you how to get this thing going. So when the Entina first arrives, it comes in this box, this big old box. And the model that I have is the Tina2S that you can see here on the side. And it's a little guy. There's, see, it's a tiny little guy. It has the plate here that your print will print to. It is magnetic. It's actually pretty snazzy, and it's a very strong magnet. So let's get this plugged in after I get the plate back on here. There we go, all even. Let's get this plugged in and turned on. Oh! So I obviously have already printed on here. The setup process was really easy. There's a digital display here on the top, and it walks you through everything. There, you just push this button. There is a wizard, if I could see what I'm doing from, yes. So there's a wizard that at first takes you through. You select your language, you get your filament ready that is here, and it takes you through every step. You're able to link the app to the device. You are able to then use the app for pretty much everything. You don't even really have to touch the device. So when you're first setting it up, the main thing that you want to do is to connect this filament here. And again, it's going to take you through everything. I'm just doing a quick run through. You're just going to take the filament, the end, and put it right in here, and it feeds into this tube, and it will print your little guys through here. And it's really cool. I thought there would be a lot more involved in it. Like, I just opened it and was like, this seems super intimidating, but it really hasn't been, at least for my little demo guy. And they give you an SD card that already has files on it, like the little pterodactyl here. So really easy. You can either print from the SD card, from saving files to there, if you want to print files that are not already saved on there, or you can go through the app and print files that way, or you can find files online, create files, and either add them to the SD card or print through the app. So with that said, maybe we should try the boo buckets. I'm a little intimidated, but I think we can do it. I'm doing one that is not entry level. There are multiple parts to it. So it shows the different devices here that will work, that it's the right size, and the Tina2S is one of them. So all you have to do then is go down and find which one you want. Select print. So let's do McPumpkin first, the printer, or the pumpkin that everyone knows and loves. and you can select your quality. I've been selecting high quality just because, I don't know. I just figured the better, the higher the better. And then you just hit start, and it's going to download to the card here. And you're gonna be able to see all the little Boo Bucket friends it's gonna print. And yeah, let's get it printing. Let's set it up and see what happens. So the recording got blocked because there's a Cammy who is investigating. Cammy, there you go. All right, I can film again. Now this part is magnetic, so it'll come out fairly easily. There we go. It's a really strong magnet. And yesterday I had some problems getting my pterodactyl off, but I used a glue stick today like people suggested online, and look how easily it came off. I'm so excited. I'm gonna have to clean a couple little spots off here like Violet, but otherwise it turned out super well. It's kind of blurry. I don't know. There you go. You can see the light shining through it. Ooh, that's fancy pants. Now we need a lid and a handle. Maybe this part here is for the handle. I'll leave it for now just in case. But yeah, I had to file a couple other little things off too. Sorry this is so blurry. It's kind of hard to show with the light there. Woo! Yeah, and I'm gonna have to color in the eyes. A lot of the 3D printing, you either have to paint or add some stuff to. Look at him! Teeny tiny bull bucket. I actually just noticed there's little holes in here. Again, it's kind of blurry and hard to see since it's so close. But there's little holes in here, and oh my goodness, it's blurry again. Let me try it other way. Okay, it's a little brighter over here. So you can see the little face, but there's also holes on the side to connect the handles to when I print it, and then there's a little lid like they have. So oh, this part actually just fell off, so I'm good with that. So yeah, this is pretty amazing. Look inside, there's just like a little bit of extra plastic, but I'm thoroughly impressed actually. I'm gonna work on the lid next because that one's orange before I switch to the black for the handle, the black filament, which is what I've learned it is called in 3D printer land. So I've just been using a butter knife and just getting under here to get this off. Like once you get like a corner going. And I think, I mean, this is just me guessing. I don't know a lot about 3D printing, as I've probably said like 100 times now. I'm guessing that they make this layer so it's easier to get off and you don't ruin your little print. But yeah, this part is not easy. I even used the glue stick like they suggested. It actually comes with the glue stick here. But it's still a challenge. I may even have to do this off camera and cry. This angle definitely isn't helping matters. Oh, see, there it goes. Ooh, and you can see it like changing color in the knife. Ta-da! Look! We made it! Just get some of the gunk off. And it's all ready to go for the lid. I'm just gonna put some glue on. I don't know if this helps. Again, I'm new to this. It came with it, and the vlogs online say that it's easier to remove if you put this on. So we'll give it a go. On to the lid. Cammy, you gonna help me? You gonna help me get this off of here? Cammy. All right, Cammy's here. She's gonna help with the removal of our boo bucket lid. You're a good helper. Yeah. So, we have the lid. It's on the bed, the magnetic bed that I took off again. Cammy, you're not helping anymore? Oh, and here we have the, oh, she's just gonna hang out and lay around and look cute, I guess. So, do you like the boo bucket? Do you like it? You like the new printer? She was watching it earlier that I showed. Oh no, now she's... Cammy. Alright, she's gonna be the background entertainment. Let's try to get this off of here. If we can, we'll see how it goes. Maybe I'll try like the wiggle approach this time. I also don't want... Oh, it's coming off. Yay! Yay, Cammy, yay! We got it off all in one piece. There's some stuff in here. Am I supposed to remove this? Maybe I'm not supposed to remove this. That was part of this here. The pattern. Maybe I don't need to remove this. Maybe I should leave it alone for now. Alright, so here's our boo bucket. Right here. Oh no, it's kind of blurry because it's zoomed in on Cammy instead of my boo bucket. Boo bucket! Be the center point, boo bucket! So let's try the little lid on. Cammy gonna help? Oh! Look! It snaps right on! I'm so excited! Cammy, look! Look, she's sleeping. I'm actually really impressed with this. Like, I'm like, oh, I made this little boo bucket. I actually saw these last year for sale on Etsy and wanted to buy one. And now this year I'm making one. There's all these little, like, scraps. I know sometimes you have to file it down. But look, it snaps on and off. This part can just stay or be removed, it seems like. It literally snaps on. Like, it's like, that's impressive. So now we have to make the handle, which means I have to change the filament, because we're learning new words, out. And yeah, we'll make the handle black. We'll paint the little eyes and nose and mouth black, and yay! I was talking to Jacob. He's like, are you gonna make all of them? I'm like, I really want to. They're ridiculously adorable, and I am oddly proud of it, even though I just like set it up in the printer. But yeah, look, Cammy, look, a little boo bucket. You like the boo bucket? Oh, she does like the boo bucket. Oh no! Oh no! Oh no. Oh no, oh no, oh. Oh. Oh, Cammy. Oh no. So we have the handle here, here's the extra plastic, and it looks like, yeah, it's just gonna lift off of here. There is a little part here it looks like I'm gonna have to cut. It said that in the instructions online too, so at least I knew it was coming. So I'll cut these little ends off. There's some like plastic extra guys to be discarded, but I've learned along the way that that seems to be pretty normal. And then, as I'm trying to still get plastic off. Okay, there we go. And we have our little boo bucket. Stick half in each side. It just kind of snaps in the holes here. And there we go. Our little boo bucket has a lid. Well, it had a lid. It has a handle. Look how cute. So I showed you the pumpkin that I made. It's all complete. The handle's on. We did that. But I decided to go ahead and print at least 2 of the other ones. So we now have the ghost and we have the witch or goblin, whatever you want to refer to her as. And I do need to color in all of their eyes still. So I know I brought a Sharpie somewhere. Here we go. I'm hoping I don't mess this up somehow. I'm just testing it on a piece of paper. I'm kind of scared because they turned out so good. Like, look at the little hat on the wish, the little pointy hat, and all of these snap right on and off too. It's so cute. I'm so proud of myself, even though like someone else made this mold, someone else did all the work, and I essentially just had to press a button. But I'm very proud that these turned out as well as they did, and I have no experience with 3D printers. I don't know anything about them, so the fact that I was able to do this and it turned out as well as it did, I am very happy. So hopefully I don't mess it up now by coloring in the faces. I'm already kind of messing it up. Yeah, I'm already definitely kind of messing it up. Oh, I think it may have been better without this colored in. Here are the eyes. I probably should have gotten a finer tipped marker. It's okay, it's not terrible. Let me try this again. Okay, I wiped off some of the excess on the ghost. I think the important part is to like not get it on the edges, just to get it in the center. I was like deliberately trying to get it on the edges before. I thought that would be the best way of doing it, but I guess not. I may, all right, Sharpie may not be the best way. It's okay. From afar, it's okay. I may like it better with just the dimension and the fact that when there's a light shining through, you can see their little faces glowing. I may end up reprinting this ghost friend because, yeah, I'm not a big fan of the Sharpie. Or I'm gonna go over it again and actually paint it in because the Sharpie is not doing it. And I didn't read this anywhere. That was just my genius idea to be like, yeah, it'll be fine. Yeah, I'll just use a Sharpie and color it in. So, yeah, I'm either gonna paint them, like I said, or leave them how they are. So we'll figure it out. But I am very, very excited about these guys. I like, look, I made my own little boo bucket. I didn't have to wait in line at McDonald's or anything. So if you are interested in printing your own boo buckets or any little critters, any little fun, definitely check out Entina. There will be a link in the description with the product and also the company website. I thank them again for sending me this. I'm going to have hours and hours of fun. I was already talking to Kurt, and he wants me to print him a Captain America shield. So there'll be definitely some action figure accessories being printed with this. But thank you for so much for now. I think that's it. I made it through this tutorial. I made it through 3D printing. I learned a lot. It wasn't that difficult. I thought it would be, and it absolutely was not. So thank you again to Entina, and for now I guess that's it. Bye. Say goodbye, boo buckets. Goodbye. Goodbye. Bye.